The Lifeline of Pets. Understanding the importance of veterinary care. Veterinary care is an essential aspect of pet ownership that ensures the health and longevity of our beloved companions. From routine checkups to emergency treatments, veterinary services play a crucial role in maintaining the well-being of animals. A proactive approach to pet healthcare not only prevents diseases but also enhances the quality of life for pets by addressing potential issues before they escalate into serious conditions. This guide delves deeper into various aspects of veterinary care to help you make informed decisions for your furry friends. The role of veterinarians in animal health. Veterinarians are highly trained professionals who specialize in diagnosing, treating, and preventing illnesses in animals. Their expertise extends beyond clinical settings to include public health initiatives aimed at controlling zoonotic diseases. Duties of veterinarians encompass performing surgeries, prescribing medications, conducting laboratory tests, and providing vaccinations against common infectious diseases such as rabies and distemper. Diagnosis: identifying underlying causes through physical examinations and diagnostic tools like X-rays and blood tests. Treatment: administering appropriate therapies based on diagnosed conditions ranging from minor infections to complex surgical procedures. Types of veterinary services available. Veterinary clinics offer a wide array of services tailored to meet diverse needs across different species, including dogs, cats, birds, reptiles, and exotic pets. These services range from basic wellness exams to advanced medical interventions. Clinical offerings typically involve preventive medicine programs designed to minimize disease risks while promoting overall vitality among companion animals. Such programs often consist of regular deworming schedules and nutritional counseling sessions. Specialized areas within veterinary medicine. Some veterinarians pursue further education specializing in areas like cardiology or oncology, where they treat heart-related disorders and cancers respectively using cutting-edge technology available within specialized facilities. This specialization allows for targeted treatment approaches, ensuring better outcomes, especially when dealing with chronic ailments which require long-term management strategies under expert supervision. Preventive healthcare measures for pets. Implementing effective preventive measures significantly reduces chances of illness occurrence, thereby improving lifespan expectancy rates amongst domesticated animals. Regular visits form part of these preventative actions alongside vaccination protocols. Vaccinations protect pets against deadly pathogens by stimulating their immune systems to recognize foreign invaders quickly upon exposure without causing actual harm during subsequent encounters. Rabies vaccine, mandated legally in many regions due to its severity. Failure can result in fatal consequences both human and canine populations alike. Flea and tick control. Essential because infestations lead to discomforts affecting skin integrity plus transmit dangerous parasites like Lyme disease-causing ticks. Nutrition and diet management in pet wellness. Proper nutrition forms the cornerstone of any holistic pet care strategy, since dietary choices influence growth patterns, metabolic functions, and susceptibility towards certain illnesses over time frames spanning years. Pet owners must understand how commercial food products differ regarding nutrient composition levels, particularly concerning protein sources derived either naturally versus synthetically produced ingredients. Consultation with certified veterinary nutritionists becomes necessary whenever there exists uncertainty surrounding optimal feeding regimens, especially following diagnosis events requiring modified diets. Importance of routine check-ups and early detection. Scheduled appointments allow practitioners to detect early signs indicative of developing problems, allowing timely intervention, thus avoiding progression stages leading up complications later down road. During typical examination routines, physicians assess weight changes, noting abnormalities possibly linked to hormonal imbalances or organ dysfunction states requiring immediate attention. Blood work provides insight into internal functioning status, revealing hidden threats otherwise undetectable via visual inspection alone. X-rays/imaging studies, useful technique employed frequently, diagnose skeletal injuries along with identifying tumors concealed beneath layers flesh tissue. Emergency situations requiring immediate veterinary attention. Recognizing symptoms signaling urgent situations saves precious minutes, potentially deciding between survival versus loss scenarios involving critically ill patients needing swift action. Response times. Common emergencies include choking incidents caused blockages throat area necessitating prompt removal techniques performed safely without inducing additional trauma internally. Toxic ingestion. Consumption hazardous substances found household items demands rapid decontamination procedures initiated instantly post-exposure. Injuries. Trauma resulting accidents outdoor environments may demand surgical repairs stabilizing affected structures prior permanent damage occurs. Mental stimulation and behavioral counseling. Animals experience psychological stressors similar humans though expressed differently depending individual temperament traits exhibited daily behaviors observed regularly. Providing adequate mental stimulation curtails development destructive tendencies manifesting through chewing furniture excessively or exhibiting aggression toward unfamiliar individuals entering premises uninvitedly. Behavioral modification therapy proves beneficial correcting problematic conduct patterns established earlier stages life cycles utilizing positive reinforcement methods encouraging desired responses consistently over period months. Required achieving noticeable improvements. Economic considerations in accessing quality veterinary care. Financial constraints sometimes hinder access vital healthcare resources despite recognizing importance maintaining good health statuses among owned creatures. Many communities establish low-cost clinic options catering economically disadvantaged households seeking affordable yet reliable medical assistance without compromising standards provided standard practices. Insurance policies specifically crafted cover vet bills alleviate financial burdens associated unexpected expenses arising sudden illness episodes impacting budgets unpredictably. The future of veterinary science and technology advancements continue reshaping landscape veterinary field incorporating innovative technologies, enhancing accuracy diagnoses, reducing recovery durations, experienced traditional methodologies. Previously relied solely manual observation skills combined limited instrumentation capabilities. Telemedicine platforms now facilitate remote consultations, enabling specialists worldwide collaborate efficiently resolving complicated cases benefiting rural areas lacking nearby expert resources conveniently accessible local vicinity. Community engagement and public awareness campaigns engaging broader audiences raises awareness significance consistent maintenance schedules contributing positively towards longer healthier lives maintained consistently across varied demographics living. Urban centers versus isolated locations distant cities. Organizations spearhead educational efforts distributing informational materials highlighting key points related responsible ownership practices emphasizing necessity periodic evaluations regardless age stage developmental phases. Undergone organisms undergoing natural aging processes inevitably occur eventually. Conclusion veterinary care remains indispensable component safeguarding welfare millions sentient beings globally dependent caretakers ensuring sustained well-being throughout lifespans shared together harmoniously. By prioritizing preventive steps coupled vigilant monitoring behaviors. Combined judicious use modern advancements available today. We contribute immensely preserving cherished relationships formed bonds developed over years dedicated nurturing trust mutual respect fundamental pillars successful coexistence human-animal partnerships thriving future ahead.